Okay, we are going to start question number 10. The point P lies on the curve whose equation is given. The x coordinate of the P is 5. The normal to the curve at P intersect the line x plus y is equal to 11 at the point Q. The point R is the reflection of Q in the tangent to the curve at P. Find the coordinates of the R. We need to find the value of R, which is the reflection of Q. So we need to find the Q also, and Q is the intersecting point of the line, this one, and the normal to the curve at point P. So to find the equation of the normal, we need the point P and the slope of the normal. Okay, first we find point P. The x coordinate of the point P is given, which is 5, and P lies on the curve. So y is equals to 5x plus 2 whole power 2 by 3, and the x coordinate is given, which is 5, so x is equal to 5. So y is equals to 5 times x means 5 times 5 plus 2 whole power 2 by 3, and this one is equals to 25 plus 2, which is 27 whole power 2 by 3, and this one is equal to 3 cube whole power 2 by 3. So this one is equals to 3 square. So y coordinate is 9. So point P is x coordinate 5 and the y coordinate is 9. We need to find the normal to the curve at point P. So we need to find the slope of the tangent at P. Slope of tangent at P, which is equal to mt, slope of tangent, which is equals to the derivative of the curve at point P. So we need to find the derivative of the curve. So dy over dx is equals to the derivative of 5x plus 2 whole power 2 by 3 with respect to dx. So 2 over 3 and 5x plus 2 whole power 2 by 3 minus 1, and the derivative of the inner function, which is derivative of 5x plus 2. So dy over dx is equals to the 2 over 3, 5x plus 2 whole power is negative 1 over 3 time derivative of 5x is 5. So we will have 10 over 3 times 5x plus 2 whole power 1 by 3, which is dy over dx. So when we plug value of P in the derivative equation, we get the slope of the tangent. So slope of tangent is equals to derivative at point P, which is point is 5, 9. So we have 10 over 3 times 5x plus 2 whole power 1 by 3 when x is equals to 5, because x coordinate is 5. So 10 over 3, 5 times 5 plus 2 whole power 1 by 3. So slope of the tangent is 10 over 3. 5 times 5 is 25 plus 2, which is 27 whole power 1 by 3. 10 over 3, 27 can be written as 3 cube whole power 1 by 3, and this one is 10 over 3 by 3, and this one is slope of the tangent, which is 10 over 9. Now slope of tangent is perpendicular to the slope of the normal. So slope of normal, which is m, which is perpendicular, this is the symbol of perpendicular to the slope of tangent. So m times mt is equals to negative 1, and we know that slope of tangent is 10 over 9, and this one is equals to negative 1. So slope of normal is equals to negative 9 over 10, which is slope of normal. So we need to find the equation of the normal at point P. Equation of normal at P. So slope of normal is negative 9 over 10 and the point P is equals to 5, 9. So we can use slope point form to find the equation of the normal. So slope point form is y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So this one is x1, this one is y1. So y minus y1 means y minus 9, which is equal to slope, which is negative 9 over 10 times x minus x1 means x minus 5. By cross multiplying, we will have 10y minus 90 is equals to negative 9x minus or positive 45. Okay, further solving, we will have 10y plus 9y, and this one is equals to 45 plus 9, 90. So 10y plus 9y equals to 135. So this one is the equation of normal. It is given that Q is the Q intersecting point of line x plus y equals to 11 and equation of the normal, which is 10y plus 9y equals to 135. So we can solve these two equations simultaneously to find the value of Q. So multiply equation of line by 10. So 10 times x plus y equals to 10 times 11. So this one is 10x plus 10y equals to 110. Subtracting equation of normal from this equation, we will have, sorry, this one is 9x. This one is 9x. So subtracting equation of normal from this equation, we will have 9x plus 10y equals to 135. So this one is negative, negative, and negative. This one will be cancelled out, and we will have x is equals to negative 25. So x coordinate of the point Q is x is equal to negative 25. Plug this value of x in x plus y equals to 11 to find the y coordinate. So x plus y is equals to 11. So x is negative 25 plus y equals to 11. So y is equals to 11 plus 25, which is equals to 36. So point Q is equals to the x coordinate, which is negative 25, and y coordinate, which is 36. Now point P is 5 and 9. This one is 5, this one is 9. This point is P, which is 5 and 9. And tangent at to the curve at point P, suppose this one. This line is tangent to the curve at P, and normal to the curve at P so this one suppose 90 degree, and this one is the normal, and this normal line has the point Q, which is the intersecting point of the normal and the another line, which is x plus y is equal to 11. So this point is negative 25 and 36. Okay, we need to find the value of r, which is the reflection of q with respect to tangent at p. So this line, when we extend it, so here we have the r, which is the reflection of q with respect to the tangent line. So p will be the midpoint of r and q. So we can say that r is reflection of q with respect to tangent at p. So p is midpoint of r and q. So p is midpoint of x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. This is a midpoint formula. And in this case, x1 and y1 is the point q, which is negative 25 and 36, where x2 and y2 is the point r. We need to find it, where the p is the point which is 5 and 9. So p is 5 and 9, which is equals to x1 plus x2. x1 is negative 25 plus x2 over 2, comma y1 which is 36 plus y2 over 2. Comparing the x coordinate and y coordinate, we will have 5 is equals to negative 25 plus x2 over 2 and 9 is equals to 36 plus y2 over 2. So this one is 10 is equals to negative 25 plus x2, and this one is 18 is equals to 36 plus y2. So x2 is equals to 10 plus 25, which is x2 is equals to 35, where y is equals to 18 minus 36. So y is equals to negative 18. So we have the point r, which is equals to x coordinate, which is 35, and this one is y2, sorry, which is negative 18. So this point is 35 and negative 18, which is the reflection of q with respect to the tangent at p.